Hello and welcome to the channel. So today we'll be trying to fix this car here. So this has had a scurry with the fence, as you can see. There's a lot of scratch marks on it. It did clip the fence as it was turning. So yeah, just a couple of scratch marks on this little panel here. Nowhere else on the car, just here is obviously where it's hit. So yeah, basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to compound and polish and see how much it takes off. So first things first, we obviously wet the car and the panel. So I actually did the whole car, but I'm only emphasizing the panel here just because that's where all the scratches are. So obviously we give it a wash, get all the dirt out, give that a rinse. And now what we're going to do is we're going to hit it with, well, this is a clay mitt. Obviously clay bars are what's most readily available. However, I've got this mitt that is good for a couple of uses. So yeah, as I said, I did go over the whole car, but I've edited this and only set up the camera for the panel because that's obviously what we're focusing on. We've then moved the car into the garage as we're going to start compounding and polishing. So we got all the dirt off the panel, which is good. And now basically we're going to hit it with the compound, the DA, hit it with a compound and see how much it takes out. So as always with the DA, we started at a low speed and increase it as it gains momentum. So then we're going to wipe the compound off. Yeah, I don't suppose we'll get this perfect because there was some, I guess, holes in the panels. You can see the top there, just below the headlight. You can see that there's actually holes in the panel. So, but we are going to try and dilute it as much as possible and make it less noticeable. So then we've hit it with the polish, and we're just going to wipe that off. So you can see the holes there on the top there. So let's have a look at what it looks like. Well, that's what it looks like before. So as you can see, a bit of white everywhere, scratches all over the joint. See the holes at the top there are still evident. And this is what it looks like now. So the holes are still evident. There's still some elements of scratches there, but it's definitely a lot better than what it was. So yeah, obviously you can't get everything with the compound and polish. It does need a bit of touch-up paint. However, as a quick fix, if you're not too worried about making it perfect and just making it less noticeable, it's a great option. So we'll probably hit this with touch-up paint in the future, but for now, this will get us by. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.